What's up, everybody? This is your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So a few days ago, I made a video called Should You Buy the Galaxy Note 9? And in that video, I talked about a lot of unique features, one-of-a-kind features of that device. And we all know that the base price of the Galaxy Note 9 is $999 and $1,249 if you want the high end with the 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage. So in the comment section, a lot of people that Samsung fans are going to buy it no matter what, right? But we had that other crowd of people that talked about how the phone is not worth it, don't understand why Samsung and Apple want to gouge us with the prices, right? In this video, I'm going to give you my business perspective on why I believe the Galaxy Note 9 is worth it, right? Listen, before we get into this, I want everybody to understand this. I know a lot of publications and a lot of YouTubers making videos about do not buy this product, this, that, and the other, and that's totally understandable. I want to give you my perspective as a business owner in a business perspective. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric again with another video. So Samsung and Apple and other smartphone manufacturers is pricing their devices based off of what they believe to make a profit margin, right? And a lot of people is freaking out, talk about they charging too much for a phone. $1,000 is too high for a smartphone. How in the world could they ever do that? Why does Apple iPhones and why does Samsung product cost so much? Let's talk about it in a business perspective here. As you guys know, follow me on this YouTube channel, I'm a business owner, right? And when I look at supply and demand, product versus profit, listen, in order for me to stay in business, the product that I sell to a consumer, I have to make money on it. Listen, I have to make money on product because I have to pay bills, light bill, I have to pay payroll, I have to pay state and federal tax. All on that just by making that profit on that product. Listen, do I agree with the high prices of devices? No, I don't agree with it, right? But at the end of the day, if you want that device, you have to pay for it, right? Do we agree with the prices? I don't think nobody agree with $1,000 phone, especially nowadays, right? But they got options. That's the whole thing in this industry. They got options. They got really good options. You don't have to spend $1,000 on the phone. You don't have to spend $1,249 on the phone. They got so many options, especially in the smartphone realm. I mean, you have Motorola, you have LG, you have even Samsung, even Apple have low-end, low-tier devices that's available for purchase. So when I read my comments on the Galaxy Note 9 or even iPhone videos, and the first thing people say is that it's priced too high, the first thing that I think about is that you don't have to buy the highest iPhone 10. You don't have to buy the Galaxy Note 9. You could buy the Galaxy Note 8. You could buy the Galaxy Note 5. You could buy whatever phone you want to. You do not have to buy that $1,000 phone. So my question is to a lot of people that leave comments saying that it's not worth it, why we are spending all this money on it. Listen, as an average consumer, you could speak with your pocketbook. You don't have to buy that $1,000 phone. You don't have to ever buy a $1,000 phone, right? The phone that you got right now, you could rock with that phone as long as you want. But don't hate on people that's willing to drop $1,000 or $1,200 on a phone. I see this a lot in my comments. They call people stupid, and why would you ever spend $1,000 on a phone? I look at it like this. Everybody ain't stupid. If somebody want to spend $1,000 on a phone, it's their prerogative. And if they have the means and the money to spend what they want to spend on a product, I think it's okay. I don't have no problems with anybody dropping whatever amount of money on a device or on a phone, on a car, on a tablet, on a house. It is what it is. I see this comment a lot that float around saying that nobody shouldn't buy this phone because it's $1,000. Listen, Don't you know that phones been high for a very long time? This is nothing new. Look, we go way back a couple of years ago when phones was peaking out at $900, and a lot of people were saying the same thing, complaining about it. But at the end of the day, when this cell phone company selling upper tiers of millions upon millions upon millions of phones at that price, people speak volumes. People speaking with their pockets. They're buying a phone. And listen, again, I'm here for the average consumer. That's why I make a lot of videos about mid-tier phones. You get better bang for your buck with this device. You can get better bang for your buck with this device. We all know that the OnePlus devices and all that stuff, they give you better bang for your buck. You got high specs, low prices, right? A lot of people love those devices, right? Here's another issue that you got to take into account. A lot of people in the United States does not have access to those devices. They have to order it. So it's a difference between the average consumer and techies. Most of us techies know about the product. We study the product. We read on the product. We watch a lot of YouTubes about the product before we buy the product. The average consumer that's upgrading to the next device, they're going to walk into a Best Buy or their local carrier or some in between, and they want to feel the device. They want to touch the device. They want to kind of know how the device will be versus the device that they're about to give up. So at the end of the day, when we talk about, you know, people are stupid for buying $1,000 phone, people are stupid for doing this and doing that. Listen, you have to understand the difference between supply and demand, average consumer versus techies. Us techies, we know what to buy. We know what to study on. We know what we want. We already know what the next device that we're going to get. The average consumer, when they device that they've been having for about 2 years, then plunked out, right? They're looking for a device. Maybe they might stay with the same device that they have and just upgrade to the next iteration. So at the end of the day, I believe in a business perspective that we are here to make money. That's the bottom line. Look, this YouTube channel is based off the average consumer. I mean, listen, I make videos on mid-tier devices, low-end devices, high-end devices. Listen, I always talk about better bang for your buck. Right? And you have to be the judge for yourself, whether or not the Galaxy Note 9 or the iPhone 10, iPhone 11, or all these other phones that cost upper tiers of $1,000. You be the judge for yourself, whether or not you got the means and the cash to pay for it and buy it. Because if you think that the cost of these devices going down anytime soon, you are very wrong. And it's not going to stop, by the way, but you don't have to buy them. That's the point. They got 3 tiers in the market. You got your high-end so-called flagships. You got your mid-tiers. Then you have your low-end devices. Whatever your pocket can pay for, and if you got the means and the cash to pay for it, buy it. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the industry, business perspective. I just want to kind of clarify some stuff out. That's all. Just having some fun. See you guys on the next video. Peace.